Hi, I'm Thomas Wilson, and I'm participating in Challenge 2014. And the problem I chose to do for my interactive learning assignment was problem number 8 of the Math 1000 practice exam. So problem number 8 reads, the volume V of a sphere of radius r is given by the formula V equals 4 over 3 pi r cubed. A spherical balloon is being filled by an incompressible gas at a rate of 25 cubic inches per second. How fast is the radius of the balloon changing when r is 18 inches? So the first step that I take when I'm approaching related rates problems is to write down my knowns and unknowns. So it gives us the formula of the volume of the sphere, which is, so V sphere is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cubed. Next, it tells us that the rate at which the gas is entering the balloon or the sphere, which is going to be the rate at which the volume is increasing, or our dV dt, is going to be 25 cubic inches per second. Alright, and next it tells us that it wants us to find out how fast the radius of the balloon is changing. So we want to find our dr dt when the radius is 18 inches. So we want to find dr dt at the moment when r equals 18 inches. So now that we know our knowns and unknowns, we can begin, and the first step is to find the equation of our dV dt. So we're going to need to take the derivative of the volume of the sphere. So dV dt is going to equal, so the 4 over 3 pi are just constants, so they come down and they are unchanged. But the r cubed, based on the power rule, r to the third is going to become, you're going to bring down the 3 and subtract 1 from the exponent, so it's going to become 3 times r squared. Next, we're going to simplify this. So dV dt is going to equal over 3 pi r squared, or dV dt equals 4 pi r squared. Now we know that dV dt is equal to 25 inches cubed per second, so we can just plug that in now. And we can also plug in that we know our radius is 18 inches. Oh, and the one thing I forgot, which I seem to always forget, is as we took the derivative of our r cubed, we also get a dr over dt. I'm just going to add this in now. So this is the thing we're going to solve for. The dr dt is our unknown value. So next we can just use a graphing calculator to figure out the constants and solve for dr dt. So 4 times 18 squared. We get 1,296. dr dt is going to equal 25, and so we just divide 25 by 1,296. We get dr dt is equal to 0.019290. And that's how you solve number 8.